Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Units Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. It feels like it's been like 10,000 years since I've actually recorded a voiceover, even though I know it hasn't. I've waited a while to actually do a voiceover. So if I'm rusty or if I ramble, I apologize. But anyways, for this week, I will be planning out the week of June 21st through June 27th using this stunning kit called Sea Salt from Miss+Meow. It's in silver foil, and I've actually had it for quite a while, and I've just been waiting for the right time to use it, and this just felt right to me. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then talk to you about the day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, I am marking my Zoom class using this Sweet Bella XOXO small frame box. Okay, so with Miss+Meow kits, she does include small floral deco sheets, and obviously that's great because it matches the kit and everything, but I just don't feel like that's enough for my personal taste. So I did pull in another floral sheet from Florina Paperie, and that's some of the floral that I use throughout the spread as well. That's some of the more bigger bouquets that I pull into the spread. But anyways, to mark my Zoom class, I use that Sweet Bella box, the florals from Florina Paperie. The mini seashell deco is from Honey Inked. All of the mini deco that I pull in here is actually from the Honey Inked summer release, which I was so excited to finally pull into a spread. And the little shoes are from White Deer Stationery. I did want to mark that I uploaded a plan with me on this day, so I pull in a third box from the kit. I do some layering with some florals from the kit, some deco pieces from Honey Inked, and then the planner is from Planning World. I spent a good chunk of time over at my parents' house on this day. I don't remember what I was doing. I truly have no idea. I have it written down in my journal, but I'm currently looking at my planner, and my journal is in the other room. So I just know I was at my mom and dad's house. So to mark that, I pull in a decorative circle from the kit. The little house is from the Glitter Mama, and then the flourish is from the Pretty Pink Co. Okay, so throughout the week, I really liked how I did this to mark Jim. I pulled some inspiration, obviously, from Rachel at Gathered Plans, cutting up the floral and lining the bottom. But the seashell deco, I did this with the date covers as well. I took those seashell dividers or strips from Honey Inked, and I cut them in half because I felt like I got a little bit more use out of them too. So I cut them in half and I layered that over top of the florals, and I just felt like it got rid of the cut lines and it pulled in nicely with what I did with the date covers as well. So yes, that took an insane amount of time for me to explain, but to explain that I cut a sticker. Anyways, to cap off the night, I had a Hulu binge. So I pulled in a Bloom Paper Studio box, the TVs from the Glitter Mama, and then I pulled in some more mini deco from Honey Inked. Jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark $2 Tuesday because I believe I did some shopping on this day. Obviously, what else is new? I'm a sticker addict. Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I am a sticker addict. Anyways, yes. To mark that, I pull in one of the scallop circles from the kit, some more florals from Florina Paperie. The sticker sheet sticker is from the kit as well, and then the mini Sea Life cluster is from Honey Inked. I did an insane amount of laundry on this day. like so much laundry. So to mark that, I pulled in a third box from the kit, some more deco from Honey Inked, and the laundry basket is from White Deer Stationery. I primarily use White Deer Stationery icons just primarily White Deer Stationery icons for this spread. Oh no, and some icons from the Glitter Mama and Planning World. But yeah, not very many from Craftsbythaowie this week. What was I thinking? Anyways, jumping down, I wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail, so I pull in another one of those boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO. Some florals from the kit, some deco pieces from Honey Inked, and the mailbox icon is from White Deer Stationery. I try to pull in one of these flourishes from the Pretty Pink Co. every single day. I just love this flourish. I think it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to have to get more because I'm already running out, and that is unacceptable. To cap off the night, I'm marking the gym the same exact way that I marked it the day before, with a label from the kit, some florals, the other piece of the Sea Life strip, and then a dumbbell icon from White Deer Stationery. Jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that we slept in on this day. So I've done this before with a Miss+Meow kit. I pull in her little scallop label and I layer it over the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio, and I just really love the way that looks. And then I pull in a sleep mask from the Glitter Mama. I wanted to mark that I visited my adopted grandpa on this day, so I pull in one of the confetti circles from the kit. I layer it over some florals. The little car is from White Deer Stationery, and I pull in another flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. Okay, so this next thing that I'm marking, I really love the way that I marked this. I'm marking a YouTube binge, and what I did is I pulled in a midi third box from Sadie's Stickers, and I layer some florals from Florina Paperie on the bottom and the top, and I don't know, I just love what that did to the box. I felt like it made it extra special fancy. And then I pull in the line divider to hide the cut lines from the florals. And I just really love how that turned out. I thought it looked so pretty. And the icon, okay, so I did pull in some Craftsbythaowie. So that YouTube icon is from Craftsbythaowie. Okay. Then I wanted to mark that I had a bath night on this night, and it is out of order, but I didn't want the two boxy things next to each other. Okay, so symmetry. So I'm not some crazy person who took a bath and then went and worked out and got all sweaty, okay? I just wanted it to look prettier in my planner. So the circle is from the kit and the bathtub is from Planning World. And then I marked going to the gym the exact same way. Like I said, it's not in chronological order. I'm going with aesthetic. But I marked the gym with another label, some florals, the deco piece from Honey Inked, and the dumbbell from White Deer Stationery. Okay, so throughout the week, I mark my Zoom class the same way with a Sweet Bella XOXO box, some florals from Florina Paperie, the mini deco from Honey Inked, and the shoes from White Deer Stationery. As always, every script that I do pull in is most likely 9 times out of 10 custom that my mom made. She does not have a sticker, she does not sell stickers anymore, but she does make them for me. I've gotten a couple questions about that, so I do apologize. It's just one of the perks of my mom having a Cricut cutter and me saying, hey mom, I hate my handwriting. Anyways, I wanted to mark that I took a nap on this day. I was like exhausted. So I mark taking a nap the same way that I marked sleeping in, with the scallop label from the kit, the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio, and the sleep mask from the Glitter Mama. I did mark going over to my mom's house multiple times this week. My dad was out of town with my 2 brothers, and my mom was there by herself, and so I tried to go over as often as possible to keep her company, and also because I truly enjoy hanging out with my mom. Mom, if you're listening, I love you. She watches my videos. So anyways, to mark that, I pulled in a scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the little house is from the Glitter Mama, and the flourish is from, once again, the Pretty Pink Co. And then on this night, I marked going to the gym a little bit differently. I liked the way that I marked my YouTube binge, so I pulled in a midi quarter box from Sadie's Stickers, some florals from Florina Paperie, the mini dots are from Honey Inked, and then the dumbbell is from White Deer Stationery. Jumping over to Friday, I am marking my Zoom class the same way as I marked it on Thursday, and I did my very best to try to get them exactly like side by side each other, because if they happened at the same time and I was marking them the exact same way. As I'm looking at it now, the one on Friday is a titch crooked, and I'm trying to not let that bother me, but low-key it's bothering me. But anyways, the box is from Sweet Bella. The florals are from Florina Paperie. The shoes are from White Deer Stationery. The mini deco is from Honey Inked. And then I do pull in a flourish that is from Planning Like a Pro. And I just wanted to add that into the negative space. On Friday, I wanted to mark that I shopped some of the sticker sales that were happening. Like, holy bananas, there were so many sticker sales. Like, some that I hadn't even ever heard of before, but because I'm on Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh. And there were so many shops that I'm obsessed with that were involved with the sale. So I may or may not have done some damage. This is me trying to say I'm on a no spend, and I'm a failure. I'm a failure. But anyways, to mark that, I pulled in a label from the kit, and those sticker is from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I just had a whole day with my mom. Like, we just went joking around. We went to Office Depot. We went to Hobby Lobby. We went to Target. We just like did some running around. So to mark that, I pulled in another, not confetti, a scallop circle from the kit. Some more florals from Florina Paperie. I throw in some foiled Sea Life deco from Honey Inked. And then the little car is from White Deer Stationery. And then me and my husband wanted to treat mom to dinner because, like I said, she'd been home like by herself all week without her husband. So we took her out to Olive Garden, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. So I pulled in a third box from the kit. The florals are from the kit as well. And then the cutlery icon is from Craftsbythaowie. Jumping over to Saturday, I am marking Sleeping In. This was the day of one of my husband's performances, and he was so excited about this one. He actually got to play with a band that he has admired for a very long time. They're actually kind of well known in the rock metal world here in Texas, and he was so insanely happy because he got to play with them on this night. So I did want to mark getting ready for that. I pull in another flourish from, oh my gosh, I noticed I didn't pull in a Pretty Pink Co flourish on Friday. That's okay. That's okay. I do pull one in on Saturday, and then I marked getting ready with another confetti scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and that little compact is from White Deer Stationery. I have so many different like makeup icons from White Deer Stationery. I can't help it. They're all just so freaking cute. And I'm going back to work, and my husband has shows all the time. So I like marking getting ready, and it's just, I like, marking getting pretty. I don't know. Don't judge me. Anyways, I wanted to mark that I went to Ross. I needed to pick up a couple of new tops because, like I said, I'm going back to work in the office pretty soon. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I just needed a couple new work tops. So I pull in a box from the kit. I layer a midi box from Sadie Stickers over it. The florals are from the kit, and then the little shopping bag is from Craftsbythaowie. It says Chanel. Your girl did not go to Chanel, but she can dream. Then I wanted to mark that my husband's, show, so I pull in a label from the kit. I layer some florals from Florina Paperie over top of that, and I try to layer it to where the foil peeks through to kind of hide the cut line. I don't know, I thought it looked good. And the little microphone icon is from Planning World. And then it's becoming a tradition that after every show that my husband has, we go to IHOP because it's the only place that stays open super late. So to mark that, I pull in a confetti layering circle from Nitty Designs, and the cutlery is from Rose and Tea Shop. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that I had to wake up a little bit early. This day was kind of rough for me because we were out really late the night before, and then I had to get up and do an event on this day. So I had to force myself to get up. It was really hard. It was difficult, guys. But to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The alarm clock is from Craftsbythaowie. The flourish is from the Pretty Pink Co. I marked getting ready the same way as I marked it the day before. I marked my gig with another scallop circle from the kit, some florals from Florina Paperie, and the little balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic. When I came home, I did crash on my couch. So to mark that, I pull in a brushstroke swatch box from Miss+Meow, and the little couch icon is from Craftsbythaowie. And then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched some movies. We finally watched the new Sonic movie with Jim Carrey, and I haven't seen my husband laugh so hard at a PG movie in so long, and it made my heart so happy just seeing him smile like that. But anyways, to mark that, I do pull in a box from the kit, a midi box from Sadie Stickers, the Sea Life divider, and then from Honey Inked, and then the popcorn is from White Deer Stationery. But anyways, guys, these are the leftovers that I have from the kit along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if this voiceover was a little bit rough. Like I said, I feel like I'm out of practice. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.